Alright, hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a double unboxing. I actually picked these two shoes up, so yeah, they're shoes. I picked these two shoes up at a sneaker event. It's called Stock, I believe. It was, yeah, it was super fun. They really had a really good organized event, and I might talk about that towards the end of the video. But now, by the way, I was saying in my last video, I might get another pair of Turbo Greens, and I did get another pair of Turbo Greens at my local shoe palace, because for some reason someone didn't pick up their size 9, which they won from a raffle. So I was able to get that size 9 from Shoe Palace via first come first serve, and I actually sold those Turbos the same day at the sneaker event. So unfortunately I didn't get to do an unboxing or mall vlog pickup or whatever. But now while you guys really came for the video, let's check out these two shoes. Hey guys, so these first shoes actually traded my off-white t-shirt. So trading a used off-white t-shirt for a used pair of these, which are pretty cleanable easily if I want to. As you guys can already tell by the box, we got a pair of Human Races. I actually really wanted these Human Races like probably about half a year ago, but I never ended up getting it. I sort of forgot about it, and I got these for a pretty fair trade. So let's see the colorway. Oh yeah, guys, we got these chalk coral festival multicolor coral, chalk coral, whatever you guys want to call it. We got these Human Races. Of course, as you guys can see, Boost is a little dirty on the sides, but that's pretty cleanable if I want to. Of course, the uppers are very clean, feel very nice. You guys can see those insoles, maybe a little dirt in there, but the shoes are slightly tight for me, so I might take out the insole, but bottoms aren't too bad, at least for the condition the Boost is in on the side. So yeah, not a bad pickup in my opinion. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these green laces or switch it for these pink laces right here. So I did get OG all with these. So yeah, as you guys can see here, we got these Human Races, guys. These, in my opinion, are just so fire, guys. I've really been wanting these since, I think, in June of 2018, but I never ended up getting them. So I feel like trading for it, not having to put down any cash, wasn't a bad idea. I traded my off-white long sleeve, which I got a while ago, for these Human Races, which I feel like was a pretty fair trade in my opinion, if I didn't actually win the trade. So yeah, guys, my opinion, let me know your guys' opinion, how you feel on this shoe, how you guys feel on Human Races in general, this colorway. Leave some sort of comments or anything, guys. So yeah. These are the Chalk Coral Festival multicolor Human Races. And now let's jump into the second shoe. Guys, so this is definitely my pickup of that day, of yesterday. I paid a fair price, nothing insane, but it was a fair price in my opinion. This is one of my shoes I've been really wanting. I was planning on copying them at the next sneaker con in my area, in the Bay Area. So I've really been wanting these. I got them in clean condition. They weren't too bad beat up. I cleaned them myself as well. But yeah, as you guys can see here, Nike swoosh. Clearly an off-white shoebox. Man, I am just so hyped on these guys. Off-white Nikes. And hopefully you guys didn't see that. But size 11 in these, just because 10 would have been maybe a little, I wouldn't have been able to wear it for too long, and I didn't really see a 10 for a good price. I got the 11, but yeah, Nike swoosh, came with OG all. I got the orange shoelaces, which might have just given away which shoe it is. I have those hang tags like made in Vietnam or whatever it says. But let's go, guys. We got them off-white Prestos. The off-white Prestos, like, look at this. This was insane, guys. I've been wanting these for so long. Bottoms aren't too bad. They were definitely worn a little bit. Yeah, these were definitely worn, but again, not too bad condition. You know, not much yellowing. Everything is pretty clean. These are just so fire in my opinion, guys. These are like one of my grails, honestly. I've really wanted the off-white Prestos. So now I'm just super hyped that I have these off-white Prestos now in my collection. And this is just super, super dope, guys. A white shoe, white and black, very, very matchable, easy to match with. Both shoes are just so fire, guys. You guys already know what that inside says. Off-white, Nike, Beaverton, Oregon, whatever, USA. These are just so fire. On the strap right here it says Air. Shoelaces, of course. I'm probably going to put one orange, one white, just because I like going one in one, if not both orange. But these are just super, super fire in my opinion, guys. Of course, we got the zip tie. There's been a lot of debate whether you should keep or remove the zip tie. I'm someone that honestly does like the zip tie. And it's not really for the flex, because if I take it off, people are only going to know it's off-white if they really know, like, it's an off-white shoe. But seeing the zip tie, like, it doesn't really matter, guys. But in my opinion, I just like that extra zip tie, that extra sort of addition to the shoe itself. Of course, Nike patch right here, Nike tag, whatever. These are just so fire in my opinion, guys. Bottoms, again, aren't too bad. So I'm definitely going to be rocking these all the time now. The 10 insole. Very super dope in my opinion. Man, these are just so fire in my opinion, guys. Oh, these are like one of my shoes I've always wanted. I've really been looking into buying one for a really long time now, like actually seriously looking at buying one, and I was able to get it. I paid $450 in cash for these. $450 isn't too bad for a used pair. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't, $450 isn't like an insane, like a steal, but $450 isn't a bad price either, especially because the condition wasn't too bad. I saw some other pairs with like ripped up foam, everything, or I don't know, I don't think these are foam, but like it was ripped up on these sides right here, on the midsole, and I wasn't really into that. And they were also charging $450 about, if not higher, so I felt like $450 was a fair price for these. It was super cool. We kept like going at it. His starting price was like $475, and I was like $450. That's all I can do is like $470, take it or leave it. So I put it back, and he's like, all right, no, fine. You can have it for $450. It was pretty funny actually. So yeah, off-white Nike Prestos, guys. These are just super, super fire in my opinion. So of course we had that double unboxing for you guys today. The Human Races and off-white Prestos. I really, really hope you guys did enjoy. Other than that, it's been your boy Shloke Sneakers, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.